Hello. Although there's nothing available ready to run in British Z, if you're prepared to adapt and convert things, it's quite easy to build up a decent selection of stock. In this video I want to look at the classic 27-ton iron ore tippler, seen in the thousands on British rail from the sort of 50s through to the late 60s, early 70s. And in this case I'm looking at some 3D printed ones, designed by Stonysmith and available on Shapeways. These come in packs of 5 and merely require wheels and couplings, but obviously a bit of preparation to make them look something like. First thing we're going to do is, as usual, put them in the ultrasonic cleaning bath with some reasonably hot water to get rid of the last of the moulding wax. Once we've done that, we're going to, rather than use a reveal coat of primer like I normally do, in this case I'm using a very sharp scalpel knife. I'm going to lightly scrape the sides to get rid of the layer lines from the printing process. As they come, they've got the wheels already moulded in. These will actually turn, but obviously they're no use for running a layout. So the next job is to carefully break them out from the retaining loop in the middle. Again, a very sharp craft knife is needed to do this, and a little bit of gentleness. Now we're down to the bare shell. What I'm going to do now is I've decided to fit screw couplings, typical hook and link couplings to these, using the N-gauge scale link ones, the H ones. So using a piercing saw, I'm going to slot the edge of the buffer beam so I can fit the couplings in. These are then going to be first of all potted in with super glue, and then a little reinforcing bit of epoxy resin behind, just hold them in place. With the glue of the couplings cured now, once again they're going to pop back into the ultrasonic cleaning bath. First coat of paint is actually going to be plastic primer, grey plastic primer, typical automotive body product stuff, and in this case I'm using high coat as normal. I'm going to let this cure for a good few hours because the next coat is actually going to be enamel. Top coat is going to be one of the Humbrol Railway colours, the classic bauxite colour. Quite an old tin, but it's never been opened, so it's still good. This is going to be airbrushed on, a couple of coats, and then once that's cured it's going to have a top coat of polyurethane gloss varnish to make applying the decals a bit easier.